back to Hosted by Chrissy. Lately, I've been looking at quite a few videos on YouTube where people are unboxing mystery boxes that they've ordered either from eBay, Amazon, or Etsy. And I started thinking, well, you know, although those items that they're getting are really interesting, it's the items inside the boxes are just not something that I'd like to own. I appreciate all of the nostalgic pieces. They bring back fond memories for me. But I just really don't want any what I consider to be junk. And I'm not really looking to sell any of the items that people are showing in the boxes. I mean, even though it might be a little bit lucrative, I just don't want to take a chance on getting some $200 box and getting junk or garbage, even though some of them say that they're not full of garbage or guaranteed no junk and all that. But I decided to take a chance and order a very small mystery box. They range from like $10 to thousands of dollars. I thought, well, I definitely don't want to lose $100 or $200 or take a risk on that. Because, you know, I like to thrift and I can do a lot in a thrift store with $100 bucks. But I did take a chance on a very small box. It was $25. It said guaranteed no junk. So I want to see what's inside this box. I waited until this video to open it up. I took a chance with $25 and I'm going to share with you here on camera. I'm going to unbox it right now to see what this mystery box contains related to home decor or home goods or home essentials. And the box is very small, so I was very disappointed in the size of it, because if it's $25 and it's guaranteed to be worth like $60, you would think that there would be something halfway decent, even a bath towel, people. So let's see what's in here. Here's my mystery box, friends. I first would like to ask that you click that subscribe button down below, just that little heart or the little red box down below if you're brand new to my channel. Make sure you leave a thumbs up for this video, and also feel free to share the video and leave comments down below too. I don't want to cry when I open the box because it was only $25, but it would be fantastic to get some type of surprise in the box. I'm a very cautious person. That's why I only decided to spend $25. And I'm still kind of not trusting whatever's in this box. It doesn't seem like there's anything live in it, so let's go ahead and get started. So, here we go. And here, there's something in there. So, let's see what we got. Okay, right off the bat. There's like a whole bunch of this like confetti filler stuff in here that I don't want to get in my carpet because it's metal and it's hard to vacuum up. So I have no idea what this thing is. It says it says Marvel. Agent 13. I don't know what that is, and I don't have anybody to give it to. I might give it to my, what is this? Vinyl bobblehead. I don't know. I don't know how that's related to home decor. Universal screen protector, one piece, ultra clear, fits most smartphone screens up to 5.5 inches. Well, it's, what is it? Is it, let's see. Well, it is a piece of plastic in here for a cell phone, but my cell phone has a screen protector made onto it that's glass. That was the other thing. People, beware when you order mystery boxes. This is not home decor. And that's what the category was when I ordered it. Okay, Hot Lips decal, 1 decal. So I can get some Hot Lips decal for my car. I don't want this on my car. I have a pretty nice car and I don't want Hot Lips on my car. Number 1. Number 2, this is not home decor. But luckily, I'm a DIYer, so I could actually use this. I think I will, and I'll share that with you in another video. But I'm kind of ticked off. I won't say the word I was going to say. Get a grip on your phone. Pop sockets. Okay, I don't need this either. And look at that. It's a baseball. So they send me Hot Lips and a baseball. No, I don't need this thing either. That's annoying. I may see if my daughter's boyfriend wants it. This is definitely not home decor. So I got a Love Pink lanyard from Victoria's Secret. I think these things are what, like, I don't even know how much they are. But I know some lanyards are like, I don't know, $2 or $3. My daughter might use this one for the gym. But how is that home decor related, people? This is the last piece. This is the last piece of the box. This is home decor. It's some little cheap washcloths. Look, they're Mainstays. Is Mainstays? I think Mainstays is Walmart. My daughter's a college student, so I'll just give these to her to put in her dorm because look at this. That's the only home decor type item in the box. Look. And there's a whole bunch of that confetti garbage in there too. You know, I gave this some thought before I ordered. I thought, you know, I'll take a chance. $25, that's not much to lose. But I can't use any of this. Any of it, it's all garbage. They say it's guaranteed not to be junk. All of this, in my opinion, is junk. While I was searching for a home decor mystery box, I kind of came up with an idea of boxing a home decor mystery box and putting it up for sale on either Etsy or eBay. I don't have currently a store with either one of those organizations, but I'm really thinking about setting up one just for this mystery box, just to see what comes of it. So I'll keep you informed of that, and I will be boxing the box up here on my channel, so you'll get to see ahead of time what's in the box. I know I can do a whole lot better with $25 than these people did. These people were obviously just trying to make a quick buck by getting some stuff, some junk from Walmart or from the dollar store, or just some junk that they had on hand. So I'm not really furious about it. I'm more disappointed than anything. But that's my mystery box that I ordered, that I was a sucker for. So as you consider ordering mystery boxes, make sure you really check the person out and beware of junk dealers like I got suckered into here. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I won't be enjoying any of this junk, but I will use those lips for another DIY, so I can't wait to share that with you. It's going to be cute. I already know what I'm going to do with it. Take care.